Ndingusibusiso Mqonqoza, and we are here today for a special reason. Actually, two reasons. Number one, of course, we're getting married, siyatshata namhlanje, and also our baby girl turns 1. So we're killing 2 birds with 1 stone, but doesn't matter, luthando. We are here today because of sihlanganisa families oyitu, the beautiful families of uMatyobeni, uMamqwathi, uDikela, and thina ke oBhayi Msuthu Kheche, coming together on a special day. And I just want to say ukuthi nothing's going to change what I've been doing. Umuntu wami, umkami, umfazi wami, ubaby wami, ndiyakuthanda bobo. Nothing is going to change, and we are here today just to celebrate our relationship and our love to our friends and family, and of course that for those people who don't know Mkam, it means umuntu wami, umfazi wami, igama lakhe nguVovo Noluvu Matyobeni Mqonqoza. How we met, ngifuna ukuthi, I don't want to say social media because I want to say ukuthi I met her through a burning building. People were screaming, and I had to save this beautiful lady. Building, you know. But truthfully, we met on social media through iChomi yakhe uLi enkosini Makhumalo ndiyabulele.
Xa kuvela ivideo kabhuti, kuthi qatha iChomi yam. Alright. Okay, ndidlule. Phinde ngenye imini ndimbone lo bhuti futhi. Nanku uVovo futhi. Ngoba ikhona lento noba intoni. Di screenshot le video ivele ubuso bukabhuti. Chomi, hayi nangumyeni wakho. Uyamazi lo muntu ayandimazi. Hayi ikhona into endingayaziyo but ikhona into. Sihleke ke senza jokes endingazonixelela le. Senza jokes zethu ke ba hayibo he okay sharp. Ngenye imini aze uChomi athi uyakhumbula la bhuti. Nangu elike or ecommente kwi video yami. Yabona ke Chomi mina ndimhlophe ne andifuna uzijampisela. Mandiyeke kanjalo.
Uli kept on saying my videos on TikTok, but man, umuntu uyakufanele. County chair, and uVovo just to prove a point, iChomi yakhe, she created a duet, and then I man was lo mhle why ngoku duet ngoba and then that's how it started, and then we started DMing each other, even though we went against our morals of dating long distance. But at the same time, there was something about it, something different, and I just kept on only talking to her. It was just her, and I just kept on talking to her. And then after 2 weeks, when you're Ntanda, and I'm like, when I want Ntanda. But that's how, keep it short and summarize how we met. And then our phone calls went from 3 hours to 4 hours every day. We couldn't stop calling each other. And by then, we were not even dating. We were just excited on talking to each other, and then this beautiful thing just grew and into this wonderful relationship.
Our spirit rejoice. I see it now. Something's different in the morning air, like a gentle breeze that wasn't there. I catch myself smiling for no reason, just thinking of you. Day after, ngiyabona manje, I see it now. Konke kuyaja, everything is clear. The way you look at me makes me understand that uyandithanda mna. You love me, uyandithanda mna. Konje ngawe shows me. From the morning calls to late night tea, words flow between our languages when you hold me close and say, ngiyabona manje, I see now, inhliziyo yami, my heart is beating differently, because I know that uyandithanda mna. You love me, uyandithanda mna. Ngempela truly, uyandithanda mna. Akekho njengawe, there's no one like you. Sometimes love speaks in silence, sometimes a melody, but when you say those words in our mother's tongue, it hits different, it feels like home. Uyandithanda mna. You love me, uyandithanda mna. Ngempela truly, uyandithanda mna. Akekho njengawe, there's no one like you. Yes, I know, I know.
From here, going forward, I'm very excited. I'm very excited. I'm also excited when the boys are asking, what are we doing this weekend? And I want to say, whoa, I need to ask my wife if we have plans. And also, I know, and I keep on telling her, ungakhali when you're walking down the aisle. Ungakhali. And I know, but I'm going to be very emotional when I see her walking down the aisle. And I just can't wait to spend my time with her.
Are we good?
Darling, say how much I love you. I got this message for you, DT. I don't give my all. Darling, this is I got this message for you, DT. I don't give my all. I don't give my I do. I don't give my all. I don't give my I do. I don't give my all. I don't give my I do. I don't give my all. I don't give my I do. I don't give my all. And my baby never my I do. That I want you.
Khawulezisa because yayazi bona ukuva uyathetha. So we try to dissect izinto. But anyway, oluthando lwethu laqala ngo 2023. Yeah, and I was unemployed. And at that time, fast. That time that I was about to interview in Kapa.
Is that very simple?
I make an interview in Kapa. Nancy interview. Hey, Mama was saying interview. I got to the passing, but I was on phone there like for another interview in London. But I'm glad I took that chance. I chose love over anything else. Even though in the class I'm already unemployed, I'm told hey, lento yethu andiyazi ba yintoni, but sobona bami. And Baba. Aba bangamazi noluvo. But ke ndombizo igama lakhe does not exist, mos ndombizo ubaba. Athi ethi kufofo. Aligama lami elo. But ke baba umuntu wami ngam. Mfazi wami. Ekodwa umhle yazi. Baba, ndifuna ukuthi nothing's gonna change. So qhubeka le misiyenzayo. The only change for the better. And we are yazi ke mina siyathetha every day whatever that's on our mind, and then won't stop. And ndakuthanda baby.
By the power vested upon me, by the setting apart of the Lord for the work of ministry, and the calling bestowed upon my life, I pronounce these two. Lithini ixesha? Ayibali le beniyenza bazala nayo uthi xa ibalayo. Ngo-12:04 I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Ngqongqoza.
Take my heart, take my soul. I'll die for you, die for you. Yabona bantu understand, yeah. Uthi mina nawe, we were meant for each other, yeah. Wetalibambi sandla sam, hamba nam, siyoqala impilo phesheya. Ngicela ungawali isithando sami, isithando sami. Inhliziyo yami ikhethe wena, ikhethe wena. Angithi all my life, all my hours, ngifisa ukumbona nguwe, ngifisa ukumbona nguwe, ngifisa ukumbona nguwe, ngifisa ukumbona nguwe.
Nisho bapha abantu obani bona lento engamnawo mangiyibona khululeka sokhuphuka sehle ngeke ukhule wedwa endokhulu kuseza ya uNkulunkulu mkhulu vele okwethu ukukhuleka kuze kukhuleke size sikhokhobe ngibe umkhulu yeah uzoba ugogoke. Okay cool, let's inhliziyo izozima ithi strupeka bazoyithola isagcwele ithi mfi mayishukela usangishupela ngazivukela wangivusela wazivukela wazincukela istuff sakho fact yabona abantu aba-understand
Uthi mina nawe, we were meant for each other, yeah. Wetalibambi isandla sami, hamba nami, siyoqala impilo phesheya. Yabona emhlabeni uthando lungena lutholakali, kodwa ukuthanda wena idala kuyona imistake.